Supercharge your creative workflow by seamlessly integrating Nano Banana into Gemini Unlimited, and prepare to revolutionize how you bring your ideas to life. First, let's understand what we're doing. We're unlocking advanced AI capabilities, significantly expanding your storage, and streamlining your entire project management process by bringing Nano Banana's power directly into Gemini Unlimited. Locate the Nano Banana integration point within your Gemini Unlimited dashboard or settings. Think of this as the gateway to unlocking its full potential. Step 1. Activate the core AI enhancements. This expands Gemini Unlimited's ability to understand complex prompts, generate more nuanced ideas, and even perform advanced data analysis relevant to your creative work. Next, we'll address storage. Integrating Nano Banana dramatically increases your capacity within Gemini Unlimited, allowing you to store more assets, larger files, and a greater volume of project data without compromise. Now, let's dive into streamlined workflows with Nano Banana at your side. Managing your creative projects becomes incredibly intuitive. You'll find it easier to organize files, track progress, and collaborate by leveraging the unified environment. This integration means faster idea generation, more efficient asset management, and ultimately, a smoother path from concept to completion for all your creative endeavors. Experience unparalleled efficiency by making Nano Banana an integral part of your Gemini Unlimited toolkit.